So I went and did a thing. This truck I bought new came with the sport trim package, which means the front and back bumpers are painted. And I just never liked that, but after 30,000 miles on this truck, a lot of chips in that paint down there, and I mean, there's no fixing that stuff. When it's chipped, it's chipped. Some of that's dirt and bugs, but there's a lot of chips in this thing, and when you wax it, it looks like crap because you got white spots in all them chips on a dark blue paint. So here's what I did. Being down here in Texas, the popular thing for people to do is to put them big old cow catcher bumpers on their trucks. And so when they install those, they take these chrome ones off. I always like the chrome ones because they shed the rocks and the bugs and stuff a lot better. So anyway, they take these off their truck and put them big old heavy duty cow catchers on, and then they sell these. So I just picked this thing up at one of those truck shops that swap out that stuff for 200 bucks. And it's dirty, but it's like brand new. There's no dings, no corrosion, no nothing on it. So I'm gonna clean it up, and that's my next project. Might as well clean it all while I'm at it, right?
Them snapping.
Yeah, well, they got a bolt and a nut that's like a quarter turn, I think. Got water on you. Chrome looks good. Road tar specs. That'll come off with wax. So here is the new used one, all cleaned up. There's only one spot I saw. There's a little rock ding somewhere, a scratch or something right there. It's from a rock or something, but other than that, it was all bugs and dirt. So the difference is I have to remove these inserts because my inserts have those parking sensors and the fog lights under there, and it's the same hole in the bumper, just a different insert for a different level of trim. So I'll take this one out, and when they do the install, taking it to a truck shop, they can replace these in about an hour. So it's easier to let them do it on a rack than it is to me to fight it laying on the ground. So that's the plan. I'm going to let this dry, put a couple of good coats of cleaner wax on there, and that'll help the bugs come off easier in the future and get it all cleaned up. And a couple days I'll take this to the truck shop. So here's the end result. I went in today to the local truck accessory shop, and they had 3 guys get in on this like gangbusters. And I paid them 2 hours labor to swap out that old bumper for this new one, using my original fog lights, my original sensors and grill in the middle. But that's the end result. I've got the chrome bumper, which is very clean. I've taken the old one and washed it up, and I'll just give you a look at this. Is with all the bugs off. These are all chips in the paint from sand, road, debris, rocks, whatever, flying up. It just looks bad. I never did like painted bumpers, and this is why. Because those rock chips just don't go away. You can't touch up paint. You'd have to completely repaint this. But it's clean, and it's very straight. There's no dings, dents, or anything in it, and it's complete. So I'm going to post it up for sale and see what happens. I might get my money back out of it. So if somebody needs one, let me know. Thanks for watching.